coolest. No, you're the coolest. No, you're the coolest. Okay, I'm the coolest.
Okay, so empty water bottle. We're going to test the Berkey filter with creek water.
It's fresh waterfall water though. Not stagnant, at least.
We're going to take this back.
Let's see, does it look clear?
It looks
Does
clear,
it look decent?
but we can't do a continuous shot because it's going to take us an hour to get back. But
Well, an hour to the car, an hour drive.
plus
yeah.
about 20 minutes to walk back to the car.
Yeah.
So I'm going to keep this, and then when we get back to her house, we're going to pour this into the Berkey, and then I'm going to drink that.
And then
can
if
show
you
them
get
where this
diarrhea,
came from?
then you know that's
Yeah,
not.
show us where this came from, this water came from. And then back to here. So this is what we're drinking, Berkey style. Alright, so this is the water, when I want to see it, that we brought back from the state park, from the waterfall. Couldn't do it last night because by the time we got here we were too tired, hungry, yada yada yada. And I know you may be wondering about the control. Is this the same water? You're just going to have to trust me. If it weren't, I wouldn't waste my time doing the video. And but this is the creek water or pond water, whatever you want to call it. And what we're going to do is pour it into the travel size Berkey. This is the travel Berkey, and it has a little filter. It's about the same as the smaller version of the bigger Berkey. And I just want to show you that there's no existing water in here. So what we're going to do is we're going to take this water and pour it into the travel Berkey. And the travel Berkey holds about 30 ounces. The regular Berkey holds about 3 gallons or so. Yeah, so now what we're going to do is it's filtering and dropping in. And we're going to leave this here, let it filter. When this fills up, I'm going to just drink the creek water, because supposedly that's what Berkey says. Berkey, I don't know if you can see the label here, Berkey says that the water filters so good that you could take creek or pond water and filter it and then drink regular water. Now, I'm going to leave this here in a shot for a few seconds, let enough drip. But it's dripping at a good rate. There's a few drops in there. Unfortunately, the way that the Berkey works best is when there's more water, the gravity makes it go quicker. That's only, a little bit of water. It's actually only filled to about that high, so about this high. So it's going to go pretty slow. But I'm going to go get a cup. I should have brought one with me. And then take what we have and just drink it. I don't like drinking from this because you get that metallic taste. So this is going to be a continuous shot with that staying the way it is. Okay, so before we continue, this cup is empty. Empty. And again, the Berkey, it's going kind of slow, but there's enough water in there that I should be able to at least take a sip. And I'll try to show you how much is in here. And I hope that you can see how much water is in there. Not a whole lot, but whole lot. Maybe a quarter of a cup or so. But it's still enough to where I'm going to just take some and see what happens. Tastes about the same as normal Berkey water. Doesn't taste bad. And I'm hoping that I don't have diarrhea later because I have a 4-hour car ride and it's not going to be pretty.
You're the coolest. No, you're the coolest. No, you're the coolest. Okay, I'm the coolest. Yeah, I agree. You're the coolest. No, you're the coolest. No, you're the coolest. Okay, I'm the coolest.
Okay, so empty water bottle. We're going to test the Berkey filter with creek water.
It's fresh waterfall water though. Not stagnant, at least.
We're going to take this back.
Let's see, does it look clear?
It looks
Does
clear,
it look decent?
but we can't do a continuous shot because it's going to take us an hour to get back.